Elfin the pigeon is a kind and honest pigeon with grey freckled feathers and a very pretty head. Elfin lives in a clock tower on Sycamore Street. He has lived there all his life. Sycamore Street is a very busy street with lots of people. There is a bookshop on one end and a canal on the other. And in between, you'll find a bakery, a vegetable shop, 3 red bricked houses, 1, 2, 3, and of course, the clock tower where Elfin has built his nest. He's very proud of his nest. Elfin loves Sycamore Street. In fact, he loves it so much that he's never left it. Have you ever left your street? Elfin has never left his street. Imagine. Let's sing a little song all about Elfin. 1, 2. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin the pigeon, he lives in the city with grey freckled feathers and a head so pretty. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin the pigeon on Sycamore Street, a kinder pigeon you never will meet. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin. Elfin the pigeon, he cares for his friends through good times and bad times. He's there till the end. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin the pigeon, he so loves his home. From the street he was born, he never has roamed. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin, it's Elfin. Elfin. Elfin's days on Sycamore Street are full of fun and excitement, and every hour on the hour, Elfin goes about his business, up and down the street, and up and down again. I wonder what he'll get up to today. Let's see. What time is it? Oh, there's my whistle. It is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sycamore Street at 9. It's the place I go to dine. Up and down Sycamore Street at 9. It's the place I go to dine. Go to dine. Coo-roo, 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 coo-roo. Let's sing together. Sycamore Street at 1. It's the place I catch the sun. Up and down Sycamore Street at 1. It's the place I catch the sun. Catch the sun. Coo-roo, 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 Sycamore Street at 3. It's the place I love to be. Up and down Sycamore Street at 3. It's the place I love to be. Love to be. Coo-roo, 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 coo-roo. Sycamore Street at 8. It's the place I meet me mates. Up and down Sycamore Street at 8. It's the place I meet me mates. Meet me mates. Coo-roo, 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 It was a very busy day, wasn't it?
It was.
Up and down the street, he went all day, every day, on the hour. Getting across Sycamore Street isn't always fun and games, however. Elfin has to watch out for the fox that roams the street at night. He also has to watch out for the cat that likes to give him a fright. Meow. Elfin, however, has a very special street dance that helps him to get safely across the road. I think we should all learn Elfin's street dance together. Will we give it a go? Will we give it a go? Okay. It's very easy. Here we go. So you can watch and copy our actions after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. A left, right. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Flap your wings. Flap your wings. And a left, right. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Flap your wings. One more time. Here we go. A left, right. A 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Left, right. 1, 2, 3. Flap your wings. Keep it going, everyone. Did you all get across the street safely? Did you? That was a tough one. Foxes and cats and cars and all sorts on Sycamore Street. But Elfin is safe and sound. As I mentioned, Elfin has never left his street. Imagine never leaving your street. One day, Elfin was going about his usual business, up and down the street, when he saw a little girl carrying a big bunch of balloons. There were balloons of all different colours. Green balloons, blue balloons, pink balloons, orange balloons, and beautiful big red balloons. The little girl stopped to look into a bookshop window when suddenly a mighty gust of wind took hold of one of the balloons. A beautiful, big, red one. And whoosh, off it floated, free from all the other balloons. Past the bakery it bounced. Boom, boom, boom. Past the vegetable shop it floated. Past the 3 houses it twirled. And past Elfin's clock tower it swirled. And up it flew across the canal. Higher and higher it soared. Elfin stared, his beak wide open. I wonder where it's off to, he cooed. Never before had he felt the urge to leave his street. If he was being honest, it scared him just a little bit. The balloon was almost out of sight. He had to make a decision. I'll be brave, he sang, and up he went, fluttering and flapping higher and higher trying to catch up with the big red balloon. I wonder where they'll go on their adventures over the city. Let's see. Fly high, come and fly next to me. Fly high, there's a whole world to see. Over a sea of light that flickers down below. Over my city I go. Let's see your wings. Fly high, come and fly next to me. Fly high, there's a whole world to see. Over a sea of light that flickers down below. Over my city I go. Chimneys, 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 touching the sky. Chimneys, 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 touching the sky. Fly high, come and fly next to me. Fly high, there's a whole world to see. Over a sea of light that flickers down below. Over my city I go. A bridge, a bridge, a bridge over the water. A bridge, a bridge, a bridge over the water. Fly high, come and fly next to me. Fly high, there's a whole world to see. Over a sea of light that flickers down below. Over my city I go. Street lights, street lights, street lights, flickering bright. Street lights, street lights, street lights, flickering bright. Fly high, come and fly next to me. Fly high, there's a whole world to see. Over a sea of light that flickers down below. Over my city I go. Over my city I go. brave little Elfin had a very adventurous time flying all over his city. The evening slowly came and the moon began to rise. He began to feel a little bit tired after all his adventures, and he decided to fly all the way back to Sycamore Street and to his nest in the clock tower. He stretched out his wings and gave himself a big hug and settled into his nest. And he began to dream about the adventures that he would have tomorrow. As the sun falls fast asleep, there's nowhere else I'd rather be than here on Sycamore Street. Here on Sycamore Street. Here on Sycamore Street. Here on Sycamore Street. As the stars come out to peep, there's nowhere else I'd rather be than here on Sycamore Street. Here on Sycamore Street. Here on Sycamore Street. Here on Sycamore